I always drew no matter what I was doing or thinking about doing with my life, sort of wondering about my career, when I was 8 years old, which, like, what do you know about careers when you're 8?
I remember getting in trouble in school for it, but my parents were, I was pretty fortunate. They always encouraged it.
I grew up drawing a lot of flowers and girly stuff like unicorns and princesses. I took that seriously enough to convince my mom that I wanted to do it professionally.
I remember drawing lots of dinosaurs. I would take my dad's printer paper and I would just make books filled with dinosaurs.
I do remember when I started drawing, I did a comic book with my friend Eric about a mouse that became a giant mutant. It was heavily influenced by the Ninja Turtles. It was just something fun that kids did, and it's something that I just never stopped doing.
There's sometimes a lot of pressure in the art world that you have to feel like you need to be completely sure of what you're trying to do. What I would have told myself if I could go back in time and talk to myself is just that it's okay to make mistakes and kind of take your time to figure out how you want to express yourself.
We kind of grow up thinking that it's this very intimidating, very out of reach kind of goal to put yourself through art school or to, have to draw every single day. And those things are not nearly as intimidating or impossible as a lot of people made it out to be when I was growing up.
I think above all, you should focus on having fun and enjoying yourself. That's what art is all about for me and for all of us, really.